Ladies and gents, Razziigrows, welcome back to the channel. We got another unboxing today. Every day's Christmas over here. What we got here. So this little device right here is known as a step-up, step-down transformer. And this allows you to convert your 110 outlet into 220 volt. So where you'll be able to connect like a refrigerator, a washing machine, anything that takes the 220 volt. So all you gotta do is connect your cable in the back, plug it into your outlet. You gotta set it to the proper voltage, 110, not 230. You gotta keep it right here, boom, and that's it. Plug it in. Then you'll be able to run heavy duty equipment and so on. So that's it for now. I'm gonna do some testing, see how this goes. Like and subscribe, stay tuned. Razziigrows. So I got it connected, set up, and ready to go. Power's on, good to go. So I'm getting ready to connect this miningyy E9 to the step-up transformer using regular house voltage. And we're gonna see if this thing works. So guys and girls, so it turned on. So we was able to connect something that's normally 220 volts with the step-up transformer to the regular house outlet. So that's how you do it, guys. You need to buy one of these so you can connect heavy-duty machinery. This is my first prototype right here. It's currently working, I think. I don't know if that's normal operation, how it flashes like that, but it's warm in the back, so it's a good sign, I guess. So check it out, guys. Another quick live demo here. So this machine runs on 220 voltage. We're going to connect it to the step-up, step-down transformer, and we're about to make magic happen. So this device allows you to connect any device that runs on 220, 240 voltage, and you could do this in the comfort of your home. I will leave the links in the description to make it easier for anybody to shop and get this item. When you make this purchase, this is an affiliate link and it will help the channel grow. It is not my item that I'm selling, but if you purchase from my link, it will help the channel grow. Thanks for now. Razziigrows.